it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Dream on Me baby swing. This is for babies between newborn and 6 months old. This is just so amazing. It's lightweight, it's easy to move around if you want to take it somewhere, if you want to travel with it. Super, super easy. It just clicks into this base right here, the actual seat does. So super, super portable. This has a little safety harness. You're not gonna have to worry, it is adjustable. The fabric is super, super easy to spot clean. It comes out really, really well. This has 5 different speeds, and then it's also Bluetooth capable, so you can hook your phone up to it and play any kind of lullaby or whatever you could play, white noise, anything that you want to play for your baby to just keep them relaxed. It also has this little remote right here, so you can control it from a while or like a ways away. I know that sometimes when I walk up on my baby to change the setting or turn the music off or turn the music on, it's going to wake up my baby. So I love that it has the remote so you can do it from afar. This also has a little mosquito net built into the canopy. It's just elastic and you can just pull it down really easily and flip it over. And then it just hooks elastic around the bottom. So then if you take it outside, you're not gonna have to worry about the baby having bugs. This is also going to give the baby sun protection. So it's just really great all around. So give me 1 second and I will show you an up close. Okay, so now that you have seen it up close, you've seen the little features on it and how it moves once it is swinging. I just think that this is a great product if you're a new mom or if you maybe want to give it as a baby shower gift. I think that this is just so perfect. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.